long ago, and throughout this area, it was very dry again. And near San Marcos, there was an area that was drying up, the natural habitat of a very, very almost extinct salamander, little blind salamander. So here, the Sierra Club, which is the watchdog for the environment here in the United States, decided to sue the U.S. government for allowing the state of Texas to extinguish a species. Now, all of that sounds kind of crazy, I know. But this is how it all started. Because you extinguish one species and you might go to another and another and another. Well, you don't tell a Texan that you can do this and can't do that because of a blind salamander. They were very upset. No, we're going to continue using the water and actually wasting the water and digging and building over very sensitive areas. So the government went and put some rules in, and then the drought broke, but they didn't change the rules. And this has been going on for a series now of about 7 or 8 years. And it's very strict, especially this summer. We had some very, very serious issues with the drought, and we got to stage 2, and you'll need different stages of how you can water, what you can do. You can't wash your cars. Once a week, you can water your lawns only between this hour and that hour. So all of this is to save our aquifer. Now think about water. Think about all of you who live in countries that have some sort of water issue. National Geographic did a beautiful series in an article not long ago. Next major wars in the world might be fought over something so dear as water. Think of you, all of you, where you come from. You don't have water. That's the essence of life. So this is our little struggle here, and I always like to mention that because it seems like this is an issue everywhere. So now we're about ready to arrive, and the first thing you're going to see will be a safari area. It's called the Wildlife Safari, and we don't go there because when you take a bus through there, you don't have the same effect. But if any of you have cars and have your families, you pay the admission and you stay in your car, and they give you food, animal food, and then you throw it out, you stay on the path. The animals come to the car, and it's quite fun. And there's a very famous zebra there that he actually tries to get into your car. Many, many people have had their pictures taken, and all you can see is the zebra's mouth coming at you with those teeth. But it's a very fun place, and if any of you have families here, certainly you have to go and visit. Take a look at the cedar here, the green. That covers our hill country here along the side. And if you're here, December and January, that's when cedar fever takes over. These trees will produce a pollen. It's brown. And then when the north wind starts blowing, it blows into San Antonio, and everybody starts their sneezing. It's one of the worst allergy places in the United States. And that's caused by this real green cedar. It's not great for the soil. In fact, a lot of farmers or people who buy the land have been cutting the cedar, burning it down to get rid of it because it takes the water from the soil, the valuable water, and the cedar really does not have that much of a value as a tree. So that's the cedar area. The others mainly are oak trees. So see, we're going to turn up here.